back at our game here. Ito maganda actually simula ng Binyan dito eh. 5-1 and then nag-counter si Bacoor. 10-2 run. Pero hindi rin naman nagpahuli si Binyan in this opening set.
It was such a good start for Bacoor. They were really explosive and you can see their energy. They enjoyed this set. Also, Binyan talagang they did not go down without a fight. It was such a good game for both teams. Bacoor showing that they are a very aggressive and offensive team.
Eto, pagdating ng set number 2, it was more of the same. Bacoor, they led for the most part of this set, but Binyan just knocking on their heels.
It was actually a very good showing also. Eto, si Okado talagang pinakita niya kung sino siya here in the second set. But also, of course, si Sia, she was activated here in the second set as well for Binyan.
At itong set number 3, no? This was when Binyan started to get their engine going here. Jorel Singh and the rest of the girls talagang showing a picture of confidence here.
Not only confidence, but they were really, really steady in this set that they got to win this third set and challenging Bacoor in extending the match rather.
At nagpatuloy yung kailang pamamayagpag nung set number 4, Binyan. And this is a totally different team that we're seeing lately para dito kay Coach Edwin Souza.
I think Binyan is peaking at the right time.
Yeah.
Although, eto kasi si Bacoor, you know, they've been together for quite a while versus Binyan who kung kailan lang nabuo. So, etong si Binyan, they have shown maturity here in the fourth set.
At pagdating nung set number 5, unfortunately for Binyan, dumami din yung kailang errors. Although you've got those powerful hits coming from Jorel Singh, but Bebang Okado taking care of business para dito sa Bacoor City Strikers.
Okado made sure that they get this one in the bag even though it was an extended game. The maturity from both teams, also the explosiveness. I keep saying explosiveness because Bacoor is really an explosive team.
And 6 straight wins via a 5-set victory para dito sa Bacoor City Strikers. Metro Land Builders.com.